Learn to say and write numbers. Part 1, 0 to 2. Children, there is nothing in the box and there is nothing to count. So we say 0. We must always touch the blue line down when we write numbers. Let's learn how to write 0. Half curve down and half curve up to write the number 0. 0. Here we see a drum. How many drums? 1 drum. So now we will learn to write number 1. One stroke down to write the number 1. Number 1. How many mugs do we see here? 2 mugs. 1, 2. So now we will learn to write the number 2. Half a round and out we go to write the number 2. Number 2. Thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Till then, keep practicing to say and write the numbers. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.